Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a double dip powder video in this video. Alright, so to get started, I am showing you guys the clear base. You do have to buy this one separately. It does not come in the PS I Love You dip powder kit, but you can get that kit for the price shown on the screen with my code, and I'm showing you here all the colors that it comes with. Now again, it does not come with the clear, but it does come with, I believe, 6 different colors that are perfect for Valentine's Day. So here are the shorter Eno Couture coffin nails. These are just the regular extra long coffin nails. I'm going in with my McCart foil glue to adhere the powder. So I'm going to put one layer of that on the entire nail. And we're kind of doing like an ombre, or I tried to do an ombre, and I'll show you how I did that. So first I take the red color and I'm going in with that at the tip of the nail to about the center of the nail. And I keep applying it until it all soaks in to that foil glue. And then I will go in with the glitter red at the cuticle area up to the red. And then I do this with all of my nails, the tip being red and then the cuticle area being the glittery red. So these two colors went really well together. These nails are a little different than my norm. I am doing BITCH nails, or bad BITCH nails, whatever. I figured, why not give the girls something different to look at, you know? Instead of just the old Happy Valentine's, we're gonna make it a bitch Valentine, okay? So we're gonna make these bitch nails, y'all. So continue my application, just putting one coat of the foil gel on, sprinkling that powder over first the red on the tip. And the reason I'm not dipping it in is because this way works for me. So whatever works best for you, you do you. The spoon is so freaking cute. I got those from AliExpress. They came in a pack of like 5. So I'm going to leave a link below if you guys are interested in that cute spoon. Also, if you are interested in any dip powders, you don't have to. Okay, let me explain. I don't like using the dip system. I like using a gel base. That is what works for me. So if you guys don't want the system, the whole kit and caboodle, you do not have to order that. You can actually write down the names of the colors that you see that you like and then order those. And if you guys are liking this so far, please hit the thumbs up button for me. It does help me out, and I do appreciate every thumbs up that I get. But like I was saying, you guys do not have to order the entire kit, but you know what? Why not? It's Valentine's Day. Tell your husband to splurge. Tell your boyfriend to splurge. Tell your wife to splurge. Whatever it may be. Tell your cats. Tell your animals, hey, mama needs some new dip powder. And you know what? You can use these as acrylics too. I honestly, in my opinion, the dip powder from the Double Dip Company, the glittery ones, I think they work best as acrylic. That's just my opinion. Now, they're solid colors. Awesome. Guys, save you some coins. Use my code. You can get 10% off. Alright, so that was the first layer. I did go ahead and fully cure that. Now we're going to go in again at the tip of the nail where that the first layer of red is. And I'm going to do 2 coats of red. So again, I'm going to go in with the red, apply it till it's all soaked in. If you guys have never tried the foil glue gel to adhere the dip powder, try it because it's great. It works really, really nice. And it's because it's so sticky. It's not like a gel base. It's so sticky that powder is not going to go anywhere once it's on there. So you can do all your nails before you have to cure it. So I do speed this up, that way you guys don't have to sit here and watch the entire thing, because it would take forever. I think the video was like an hour long. So that's why I'm doing a voiceover with this one, because I don't want you to have to sit here all day long and watch a video. But I do want you guys to learn. Also, if you would, again, please hit that subscribe button. I know I have so many people that are not subscribed to me, and it means a lot if you would just hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it only takes a second to hit it. So please, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, so I go ahead now. This is the last nail after I finish that one. I will put it in the lamp for 60 seconds and give that a full cure. So into the lamp it goes, and then you're going to brush all that excess dust off of there. Alright, now I'm going to go in by the cuticle and bring it down just below the red, a little bit. And this is how I try and ombre it. I should have went in with 3 coats of the glittery red, but I did not. It still came out really cute, but I should have done this another time. And I only did it once, so that is my mistake, and you learn as you go. I'm not a big dip person, so I've got to learn just like everybody else. So again, I go in with the cuticle. I go in at the cuticle, bring it up just a little bit past that red, and then I tried to use the ombre brush to kind of ombre it up, but it wasn't working. So I think I stopped using that brush. But you see there how I'm going a little bit past the red? I'm going right on top of the red. And guys, leave me a comment real quick. Let me know what you think of these nails so far. And yeah, I do have a lot of like lower third things popping up because I just got a new software system and I'm kind of playing around with it and seeing how it works. So I apologize. Alright, now here I go in with the last nail. After you're done, you're going to go ahead again and fully cure that, 60 seconds in your light. And now I'm going to brush them off again, getting all the excess powder off. Now, normally you would go ahead and cap this in clear, but I am going to use my McCart gel top coat to cap it. So I do 2 coats of the gel polish, but I think I only show myself doing 1. I went in with the first coat, then I filed, shaped them, buffed them, and then I went in again with a second coat. And I don't show me filing on camera. Alright, give it a full cure. And now it's time to add the bling and the stickers. So I'm going in with my McCart, a decor kit from from their Hooked on Love series. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my McCart rhinestone glue, and I'm going to put a heart from the McCart decor kit, like I said, from the Hooked on Love collection they just released. My coupon code is down below if you're interested in any of the McCart stuff. I think those gems are so cute. I do go in with the smaller AB rhinestones, and I do put those in the center. Just to kind of give that transition from the glitter to the red a little, like hiding a little, so that it's a little hidden, because it was not perfect. But I think these turned out really adorable. So now we're going to go in with the bitch stickers, and I had just enough to do every single nail. It's a little heart, and on the inside it says bitch. And no, guys, y'all know I'm not a bitch. So I put those down by my free edge, and then I do a top coat again. So I think I have 3 layers of top coat. And there we have it. Look how freaking adorable. Double Dip came through. Thank you, Double Dip Company. Again, guys, please go check out Double Dip. You can order their powders singly. You do not have to purchase the kits. They also have monomer, which I do have and I have used. It works great. I haven't tried the clear yet, but we will be trying the clear very soon because I want to see how clear it is. They call it the clear base, but it can be used to encapsulate. So again, I top coated, I cured it, fully cured it. Now you're going to go in with your cuticle oil, of course. Rub that in really well. And then that is it. That is it. Yay! So if you guys got to this point, I'm showing you right here. These are the 2 colors that I used. If you are interested, 1328 and 686. So go get you some double dip powders. And if you have stayed this long, I love you guys. And again, this is the PS I Love You kit for Valentine's Day. Let me know what you think with a red heart emoji down in the comment section with your comment. Let me know what you think of these. Would you wear them? Would you rock the bitch nails? Let me know. With that said, I hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Keep watching, and I love y'all. Have a blessed day. And don't forget, subscribe. It's free. Bye.